In this video, I will guide you through how to create a brand new YouTube channel on your computer step by step. First, I opened Google Chrome on my PC from the desktop. A page opened showing all my Gmail accounts. I selected the Google account on which I wanted to create a YouTube channel. After selecting the account, the Google account interface opened in Chrome. Next, I clicked on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu appeared. From there, I clicked on YouTube. Now the YouTube homepage opened. After that, I clicked on the account icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu appeared where I saw the option called Create a Channel. I clicked on Create a Channel. Then a pop-up window appeared with three main options. The first option was Select Picture. By clicking on this option, you can upload a profile picture for your YouTube channel. The second option was the name field. Here you can enter the name of your YouTube channel. The third option was handle. Your handle is your unique YouTube username and also becomes part of your channel URL. In my case, the default channel name and handle were already good, so I kept them unchanged. After that, I clicked on the Create Channel button. Then a red notification bar appeared saying that the channel would be created within a few moments. I waited for about 1 minute and refreshed the page. After refreshing, my YouTube channel was successfully created. Then I clicked on More below my channel name. There I could see my channel link and the channel creation date. After that, I clicked on the account icon again in the top right corner. A drop-down menu opened where I selected YouTube Studio. And just like that, my YouTube Studio opened successfully. From YouTube Studio, you can customize your channel, upload videos, edit channel details, add thumbnails, manage playlists, and make your channel look more professional. And that is how you can create a brand new YouTube channel on your computer step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.